These Crayola crayons are so cool. Aren't they manufactured locally?
Yeah, they're made in Eastern Pennsylvania. Why don't we just go there?
Yes, let's go!
Crayola is the world's leading manufacturer of children's arts, crafts, and stationery products. We help parents and educators around the world raise creatively alive kids. In a given year, we make up 700 million markers and about 3 billion crayons.
Cool process!
We get raw materials brought into the plant. We make all of our mixes to make all of our waxes, and then we mold all of our crayons. We put a label on them.
Cool training!
A lot of the training is on the floor. You get trained by operators here with experience on the machines, and they show you what to do.
I went to college in supply chain management. They provided me with a really good foundation of understanding for everything manufacturing and operations, from sourcing and supplying raw materials all the way through distribution to our end customers.
Cool for the environment.
At Crayola, we get about 1/3 of our energy from solar power on a 33-acre solar farm behind our plant.
We go out of our way to collect scrap and things along those lines with crayons where we can remelt them, and then all of our marker waste actually gets recycled.
Cool choices.
Being on a rapid development team, I'm working on prototypes constantly, trying to create new ideas, new mechanisms, new machines, new equipment.
I chose to work at Crayola because it's such an awesome organization. I love the fact that every day I know I'm putting joy into the world. We're just like a big family, and that's my favorite thing.
After graduating from college, I had to continue with the military or work for the greatest company in all of Pennsylvania with Crayola.
A cool career!
What I enjoy most about my job every day is working with the people out on the floor, being able to have conversations with them, being able to see them grow.
There's a lot of collaboration here. We work together as a team to meet our goals.
I've worked here at Crayola for 8 years.
Almost 7 years.
5 years.
20 years.
6 years. 17 years.
28 years.
16 years.
It was a no-brainer. Crayola all the way.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.